making process. Unlike store-bought milk, which is often pasteurized and processed, homemade soy milk retains all of the natural nutrients and enzymes that are essential for good health. Additionally, the Soyabella allows you to control the ingredients that go into your milk, ensuring that you are consuming only high-quality, organic ingredients. One potential drawback of the Soyabella is its price. While it may be more expensive than other soy milk makers on the market, the Soyabella's high-quality materials and efficient design make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who is serious about their health and nutrition. Additionally, the Soyabella's versatility and eco-friendliness make it a great choice for individuals who are looking for a machine that can do more than just make soy milk. Another benefit of the Soyabella soy milk maker is its ease of use. This machine is designed with user-friendliness in mind, with clear instructions and simple controls that make the milk-making process easy and stress-free. Additionally, the Soyabella's compact design makes it easy to store and transport, allowing you to make fresh soy milk wherever and whenever you want. Another feature of the Soyabella that makes it a great choice for individuals with dietary restrictions is its ability to make milk from a variety of different ingredients. Whether you are allergic to soy or simply prefer a different type of milk, the Soyabella can make milk from nuts, seeds, grains, and other plant-based ingredients, allowing you to customize your milk to suit your needs and preferences. One potential drawback of the Soyabella is its cleaning process. While most of the components are dishwasher safe, cleaning the grinding cup and filter cup can be time-consuming and may require some elbow grease. Additionally, the Soyabella may not be as durable as some other soy milk makers on the market, and may require more frequent replacement of parts. Another benefit of the Soyabella soy milk maker is its ability to make large quantities of milk at once. With a capacity of up to 1.2 liters, the Soyabella is great for families or individuals who consume a lot of milk on a daily basis. Additionally, the Soyabella's speedy production time of just 15 minutes means that you can have fresh, healthy milk on hand whenever you need it. Another feature of the Soyabella that sets it apart from other soy milk makers is its ability to make hot and cold milk. Whether you prefer your milk warm or cold, the Soyabella can make milk at a range of temperatures, allowing you to enjoy your milk in the way that you like it best. One potential drawback of the Soyabella is its noise level. While the machine is not excessively loud, the grinding and blending process can be somewhat noisy, which may be a concern for some users. Additionally, the Soyabella's price may be a barrier for some individuals, as it is more expensive than some other soy milk makers on the market. Another benefit of the Soyabella soy milk maker is its ability to make milk without any preservatives or additives. Many store-bought soy milk brands contain preservatives and additives that can be harmful to your health, but with the Soyabella, you can make fresh, natural milk that is free from any harmful chemicals or ingredients. Another feature of the Soyabella that makes it a great choice for health-conscious individuals is its ability to make milk from non-GMO soybeans. The Soyabella is designed to work specifically with non-GMO soybeans, ensuring that you are getting the highest quality of soy milk possible. One potential drawback of the Soyabella is its learning curve.